Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.3.1 Error Identification. This criterion requires that error messages are identified, and suggestions for correction are provided in a way that is perceivable to the user. Here's an example of how to implement this guideline in code. Use appropriate markup to indicate form fields that are required or optional. Use the required attribute for required form fields. Provide clear and concise error messages when the user fails to complete a required field or provides invalid input. In this example, the aria live attribute is set to assertive to ensure that the error message is announced immediately to the user. The role attribute is set to alert to ensure that the error message is announced even if the user has turned off notifications for non-critical messages. Provide suggestions for correcting the error. In this example, the error message provides a clear indication of what the user needs to do to correct the error. Ensure that error messages are displayed in a consistent location on the page and with consistent formatting. You could use a CSS class to style error messages consistently. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that users with disabilities are able to understand and correct errors on your website or application.